Hey everybody, Gears here. And one of the things I had noted early on when I installed this heatsink is that it was just barely rubbing into the drive shaft here. And looking at it now, once the heatsink gets warmed up, it's definitely carved a bit of a shape into that shaft there. Oh yeah. Sweet. Yeah, it's not too bad at all. It hasn't really done anything. It's just kind of given it a little shine, essentially, and worn off a top layer and kicked it off to the side, because obviously as this is spinning, all that material is going to kick out to one free end or the other. So it just must be this very end here that is getting hosed. And actually this plastic will just shave off. If not with a razor blade or my fingernail, then over time it'll just fall off. So there's one downside to installing a full sink. There's one downside to installing this style heatsink. Thanks for watching. See ya.